Wesley and Marie are in their second year of marriage. Both of them say, "We never argue, we never fight. There is not a single thing we've ever fought over." Like Wesley and Marie, most of us have such marriage myths. If you never fight or discuss uncomfortable issues, that means you have a good relationship. But when you get married, it's not just two people who are joining together. It is your different habits, personalities, belief systems joining together too. Authors in their book called 8 Dates, Essential Conversations for a Lifetime of Love considered that if you enter into a long-term relationship and you think a lack of conflict is the hallmark of its success, you are setting yourself up for disappointment and failure. Let's continue Wesley and Marie's story. Wesley liked to have the television on while he fell asleep. Marie preferred silence and could go to sleep quickly if the TV was off. Eventually, Marie started to ask herself whether she had made the right decision. However, Wesley began to think that Marie was getting more and more impatient. And one time, Wesley asked, "What is wrong? Why are you treating me so badly?" Marie was shocked because in her mind, he was the one treating her badly. She finally told him what had been bothering her for so long, and then she burst into tears, saying, "I guess it's over for us." Wesley was extremely surprised, and he said, "My mum worked 2 jobs, and most of the time I was alone. TV was all I had. One time our house was broken into and the television was stolen. I was devastated. It was my only comfort at night, and with the TV gone I had nothing. It was horrible, lonely and horrible." Marie's heart cracked open for the little boy her husband had once been. "Wesley, why would you think it's over between us? It's just television. We can figure something out." Marie: "I never heard my parents fight. Whenever things got complicated, my mother would gather us up, leave the house to check into a hotel, and the only time I heard my parents yelling was right before their divorce. Therefore, I'm afraid of all conflict." Sharing these stories was a relationship game changer for Wesley and Marie. "Our relationship has gone to the next level. It feels more real," said Marie. The authors argue that most relational conflict is not resolvable. What does it mean? There are 2 kinds of problems. One of them is situational problems that are solvable. For example, who will pick up the kids on Fridays or where to go on vacation. But in perpetual ones, the problems stem from fundamental differences in the personalities or lifestyle preferences. For example, for one side, walking can be enough to be healthy, but for the other side, a gym membership is a must. You cannot solve your personality or lifestyle preferences about perpetual problems, nor should you try. At the core of managing conflict, especially when it comes to a perpetual problem, accept your partner for who they are. When you accept what you can't change, you accept each other. Accept your partner for who they are, and they'll do the same. Celebrate and learn from your differences.